Aside from all the alarm stuff I'm going to talk about right now, can we just take a minute to appreciate how badass this truck looks? Look at that. It's a 2024 GMC Sierra AT4. It's finished doing a T12 remote start and security system. So of course, when you lock the alarm, it arms the alarm on the truck. Even if someone uses your own signal of your factory key fob to try to unlock it through a relay attack, the door will unlock. But as soon as they open the door, you get alerted. We did equip this truck with the Drone XC camera. It has its own little siren as well, so I don't know if you heard when the alarm was going off. It's like a high-pitched kind of whine. That was that. This dash camera not only records whenever you're driving or whenever the vehicle is parked, but it also records whenever the alarm goes off. And of course, something that we always want to do is make sure that if someone does try to steal the vehicle while the alarm is engaged and we try to start it, the vehicle won't start. Your pager warns us. Alarm starts going off. I really love how the colorway of this truck. I like these headlights. All blacked out, black wheels. Now we got it secured as well.